Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful day in which to excel. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. This is my first in-depth review for 2026. I am back with another car review. This afternoon, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk-around of the 2017 Nissan Rogue SV. Like I said, this is an SV trim level. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Rogue. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to pop the hood and show the engine. I'm also going to walk around the exterior and the interior of the car throughout the video. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the motor and let it run. Here goes the key fob. It does have a remote start. I'm going to do like the button and hold this button down. As you can see, the Nissan Rogue comes with remote start. Now, if you want to turn off the vehicle, just do the same thing. Simple as that. The Nissan Rogue comes with a smart key access system on the driver's door and the passenger door. Just keep the key fob in your pocket. And you're able to unlock and lock the vehicle by the buttons and the two door handles. All to do is just tap the button. That locks the vehicle, and after wait a second, tap the button again, and it unlocks the vehicle. The color of the exterior is white. With beige cloth interior. I know this has the beige cloth interior, but as you can see, it has seat covers right now. Alright, let's have a seat. This vehicle does have push-button ignition. All you have to do is just keep the key fob in the vehicle. And then you put your foot on the brake and hit a button to start the engine. Nice. It's got a 3-spoke rubber steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. This car has 50,000 miles on it. Coming to a transmission, you have a CVT automatic transmission. And you do have your manual shiftability, but a plus and minus on the shifter here. And this car does have a backup camera when you put the vehicle into reverse. Your parking brake is down here. Nice. Okay, let's turn on the headlights. Those have automatic lights. And don't forget the hazards. Has an automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? This one's got turn signal mirrors. The car is in good shape. I love these body style looks. They're pretty cool. Oh, here's your exhaust down here. Excellent car. I think this car has open country tires. There are alloy wheels. You do have your power windows, your power locks, your lock window switch, power mirrors, for power seats. And this car was made in May of 2017. Okay, let's go and pop the hood and check out the engine bay. There we go. Under the hood, you will find it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with 170 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque. There's your battery, your washer fluid, and your oil back there. Okay, let's go ahead and rev up the engine to see how it sounds. Perfect. Okay, over there you do have your tachometer, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and your temperature gauge. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM/FM radio with CD player, and you also do have your Sirius XM satellite radio here too.
Weather brought to you by ProTech Air Conditioning and Plumbing Services.
Conditions have improved since earlier this morning, but it's still going to be chilly out there for about the next 72 hours.
You do have your preset stations here too. You can go to Seek and Cat, iPod menu, back button. You can go to media. It's all there. You do have your dual zone automatic climate control, your fan speed, your temperature, your different zones, your recirculation, automatic air conditioning, you do have your USB, your auxiliary, and you do have your power outlet down here too. Big storage down there as well. You do have your cup holders, heated seats for the driver and passenger. Very nice. Storage, and you do have your power outlet down here. A sunroof is an option on the Rogue. sunglass container, interior map lights. Nice. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. You do have your volume controls on the wheel. You can listen to Talk Sports News on WDBO 580 AM. I hear that radio station all the time. You do have your brightness instrument cluster. You do have your touch signal switch. I wonder what these does do. You do have your menu controls on the wheel. You can go to miles per hour, switch, press this button here, your trip distance, fuel economy, all of that. Safety shield, tire pressure, controls, no warnings, driver assistant, clock, meter. Good car. You do have your traction control down here. Sport mode, eco mode, your cruise control, voice command, Bluetooth controls, your windshield wipers, high speed. Oh, you do have your high speed, my bad. This is low speed, by the way. This is low speed. This is low speed and this is high speed. Just wanted to show you that, guys, a little bit. And you should do have your rear wiper that is on the back too, which I don't know what button is the rear wiper. But anyway, you get the point. You do have your bowstring extensions off to the side. The steering was very smooth and easy to turn. Alright, I'm gonna leave the vehicle on, but let's check out the back seat, shall we, as well as the trunk. Whoop.
In many ways, it has become weak and ineffective.
There we go.
Is if the United States is involved with NATO and formed for all the right reasons, but Europe, you know, they have allowed unfettered immigration without insisting on assimilation. And that's now resulted in even Great Britain has 80, 85 Sharia courts in Great Britain.
You do have your rear climate down here,
Sharia
and you should do have your armrest here too. But these seats are very comfortable, pretty smooth.
Religion, but the implementation of Sharia or living separate and apart.
Very nice view inside the car.
In a country that you go to.
Looks like similar to the Nissan Murano a little bit.
Anyway, so the president now is looking at.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. You also do have you do my pockets back here too. I did not even realize that. Okay, now let's check out the trunk, shall we? You do have your cup holders back here.
Strategic reasons, and the president has been very clear about them. The idea that we would, and that's NATO strategic defense. If they fear, for example, Russia and Putin,
Power locks, cup door handle.
And they barely want to up their defense spending, and they have become weak and woke. And I'm telling you, it's bad. But Greenland, has a very sparse population, 56,000 residents living in...
Good size glove box.
The vast interior is largely uninhabited. Greenland has roughly one person for every 1,000 soccer fields, if you want an analogy. Very sparse population. And anyway...
All right. Now we shut down the vehicle. Because I think about to end the video here.
They occupy a landmass.
Okie dokie.
The Arctic defense planning in Europe defense. And
Okay, now, and let's go and shut down the Rogue. Don't forget to grab the key fob. Anyways, now we come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed my full in-depth tour and walk around look of the 2017 Nissan Rogue SV. Please don't forget to leave a like down below because it certainly helps the videos a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that too. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss up on the upcoming videos. This is Angel's Car Reviews. Sign off. Please take care and goodbye.